Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your game licenses on your PlayStation 5. So if you have like a lock screen next to it or something like that, go to the game, press options. Now, when you're over the game, go on down to where it says restore. This is right here. And then we can go to this and just go to restore. Now we can do this for individual games or we can do it for all the ones we have installed on our PlayStation 5. So you can just do this under this screen right here. So if you don't have your PlayStation set to home, you probably have a big lock screen next to your game. Uh, if you don't, uh, go up to the top here, go to where it says users and accounts. Going down, go to console sharing and offline play. Make sure it's set to enable. Then go to restore licenses right here. And just restore the licenses for your game if you become unable to use the content you download through the PlayStation Store. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.